Hey everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing the Dell Latitude 7455. This is a 14-inch laptop with Snapdragon X Elite, and it's a Copilot PC with 32 gigabytes RAM and a terabyte SSD. This is basically my work computer, but I figured people might be interested in seeing the unboxing, which is always pretty fun. But with that in mind, you might get a different package if you were to order this as a consumer. So I'm not sure exactly if my company, Microsoft, is different with the way they package it and ship it over, but we'll see. Yeah, this came straight from Dell. There we go. So here we have some airbags and normal packing stuff. I'm assuming this will be the charger, or maybe the dock, not sure. And then enjoy your new Windows PC. And here's the main event. There she is. So as a disclaimer, I don't really know much about this laptop at all. Basically how it works is I have the option to get a new device refresh every 3-4 years at my company, and I had a couple options. I was kind of between this and the Surface Laptop 7s. Was really close to getting the 15-inch Surface Laptop 7, but I prefer a 14-inch laptop just because I enjoy traveling and it's nice to be able to fit this into my backpack on the go more easily. I'm upgrading from a ThinkPad P14s, which I frankly did not really enjoy having very much. The screen was pretty terrible, and aside from the screen, I really just didn't like the build quality. It's very plasticky. In fact, I have it right here. Actually, two of them. These are ThinkPad P14s. They're very standard ThinkPad in terms of build. I think the older ones actually had better build quality, but they had this nipple, so very outdated in my opinion, and the screen quality is terrible. You cannot even use it outside, even in the shade under an umbrella. So hopefully this is better. Let me bust this open. So smaller box, looks like it is the charger essentially. So first half of it, and then it plugs into the adapter, and then this is standard USB-C. So, I mean, that's very standard across the board. And then it has a nice Dell Latitude 7455 little flyer. Nowadays with everything, it's like QR code based. So it's funny, this is basically blank aside from a small little thing saying regulatory compliance. And then for the main event, here we go. So this is a Copilot Plus PC. Again, I don't really know what that means. Outside of work, I actually am a pretty big Apple fanboy. So I definitely prefer Apple products. My personal computer here is a MacBook Pro. This is the M3 Max, I think, and I love it. So it's hard to compete with that, but keep in mind when I got the MacBook Pro M3 Max, I want to say that was probably around $3,000, and I think this Latitude 7455 probably goes for $1,500 or less. This will also be my first time having something with a Snapdragon processor. No idea if that's good or not. Okay, there we go. Maybe if you order this personally or get it from Best Buy or something, the packaging will be nicer, because definitely Apple products look a lot nicer than this in terms of the presentation. So that's basically it. First impressions, here we go. Well, number one, it's actually like, just the finish is like metal or something compared to the plastic ThinkPads. Let's open this up. Though I can't say the finish looks nearly as nice as like the space gray or whatever the color is called for these MacBooks. But again, can't really compare with Apple. just in terms of the price point. But yeah, there she is. So it's a not particularly thin, not particularly thick either. It looks like a standard business laptop. That's what these Dells look like. But with that being said, the build quality it feels immediately better than a ThinkPad, which is what I'm upgrading from. This is the M3 Max MacBook, and this is the new Dell Latitude. And it's about the same thickness. The Dell is just very slightly thicker on one end, whereas the MacBook is completely the same width across the whole device. This one, it looks like it's thicker in the back, thinner in the front. And yeah, this is just slightly thinner than the 14-inch ThinkPad. So there's that for reference. Let me go and see if we can power this up. So it does come with a little bit of charge, which is nice, as it should. I feel like nowadays. So first impression, the amount of travel that you have on the keyboard. I mean, I didn't expect it to be a mechanical keyboard or anything, but it's definitely not quite as, I would say, not as satisfying, really. Other things to note are there's not a page up and page down button on the keyboard, which I absolutely hated on my ThinkPad because I'm typing and I do use the left and right arrow keys quite a lot. So if I do that and accidentally hit page up or page down, it just jumps and then you totally lose your spot on the document or in the editor. So I'm glad they got rid of that. And I see there's a Copilot button, which I'm not sure how useful that will be, to be honest. But I do use Copilot, like outside of work even, though I kind of use Claude quite a lot as well. First thoughts, the screen immediately looks night and day. So much better than my ThinkPad did, just from the brightness. I think this is also a touchscreen, so is it? I'm actually not sure if it's a touchscreen. I'm not gonna bore you guys with the whole setup process, but that was basically the unboxing and first impressions. I'm definitely looking forward to this because this just feels so much better than the ThinkPad. Hopefully with the internals and whatnot, it is a more enjoyable experience as well. I don't know anything about this Snapdragon processor. There's no GPU on this. It might have something like a TPU or NPU. I don't really know exactly what they call it with this manufacturer and whatever, but hopefully this was interesting and I'm excited to have a new toy or a new laptop, I guess, to use while at work. Thanks. See you guys.